This is Signadot, Microservices infrastructure for the autonomous software development lifecycle. Coding agents are getting remarkably good at generation. They can read an entire code base and ship a new feature in seconds. But fluency is the easy half. Even when the code compiles and unit tests pass, the agent has no way to know whether the change actually works at enterprise scale. Generation is solved. Validation is where agents stall. It is a web of services, databases, message queues, caches, third-party APIs, dozens of them. A loyalty feature written inside one service might depend on Postgres, on Kafka, on 3 downstream teams, on a payment integration the agent never even reads. The agent cannot see any of that, and without the ability to run its code against these real dependencies, the agent is flying blind. Signadot is how you give the agent sight. We turn a single Kubernetes cluster into thousands of production-like environments on demand. The trick is virtualization. Instead of duplicating a full stack for each run, Signadot shares the base infrastructure and virtualizes environments. So spinning up a new environment costs very little. One cluster can hold thousands in parallel. One environment per agent, per task, per run. That is what scales for the agentic era. And the virtualization goes deeper than services alone. Signadot virtualizes every layer an agent's code actually touches. Message queues, databases, caches, everything. So even a stack built from dozens of microservices, talking to Kafka, Postgres, Redis, and a handful of third-party APIs, can be reproduced faithfully for every single agent run. That unlocks the full long tail of testing: integration, end-to-end, contract, performance, security, chaos, all in parallel. This is what closes the loop. Every background agent runs its own cycle. Write code, spin up an environment, run tests, debug, loop back. Real-time validation flows straight into the agent's context. Hundreds of agents run in parallel, each in its own isolated stack, and the infrastructure scales with them. No coordination, no contention, no human hand-holding required. Agentic coding tools have compressed the generation half of the lifecycle. But validation, the step that verifies code against real production, is still missing. That is the layer Signadot sits in. Signadot is the validation layer every agentic coding platform will need to reach enterprise production. Give every agent a production-like stack, close the loop, ship enterprise software autonomously. Learn more at signadot.com.